Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny from Owls and Indigo and I make videos about journaling and goal setting. Today it's time for the private monthly journaling prompt and we'll be talking about how to like being alone. This journaling prompt is inspired by the Two of Cups and the Camel Tarot cards from the Wild Unknown regular deck and Spirit Animal deck by Kim Krans, which you can find linked down below. I'm sure there's someone you know that would love this video or love this message. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share this video to grow the Owls and Indigo tribe. There are times when we feel out of sorts and have an overall lacking of vitality. We just feel down. Usually in these moments, we're alone, away from those that are important to us. This solitude can be a wonderful thing when we're feeling overstimulated. But what should you do when you're craving connection and don't have the means to actually connect? How can you embrace and even begin to enjoy being alone? The relationship with ourselves is an important one. Each of us hold a wealth of nourishment within ourselves that we can tap into when others need us. So why not tap into that pure, honest love and yearning to connect when we need it most for ourselves in the times of discomfort and being alone? But where do you even begin to like being alone? Knowing oneself and being resourceful and independent opens up a path of new love to head your way from within yourself, internally and externally with others. We all know that when we start focusing on ourselves, it all of a sudden makes us very attractive to others. So why not lean into that pure, honest self-love image and embrace being alone with the most important person in your life, you. What do you like most about being alone? What are 3 actionable ways you can make being alone more enjoyable? Now let's get into my journal for the exact same journaling prompt. For me, the absolute best thing about being alone is the freedom to be myself and not have to adhere to anyone else or societal standards. The second best thing is the quiet. I can contently spend an entire morning or afternoon in complete silence. The 3 actionable ways that I'm going to make being alone more enjoyable are: number 1, working on a skill that relates to my personal morals that I otherwise don't have time or make time for in daily life. Number 2, live fully as my dream self or ideal self in at least 2 of the following: in dress, the way I eat, activities, movement, intellectual stimulation, and entertainment. Number 3, full body movement in the form of hiking while listening to and for the sounds of nature, or dancing to my favorite music like the ecstatic dancing of ancient time and today. So what was your answer to this month's prompt? If you like thought-provoking journaling prompts, then you should definitely check out my 2 guided journals for more journaling prompts like these: A Year of Spiritual Growth and Mindful Goal Setting, 365 Mindfulness Journal Prompts. It includes 365 daily prompts, morning and evening reflections, quarterly reviews, a mid-year check-in, an end-of-the-year review, and a simple visualization to help you see what your goals will look like once you've accomplished them. The link is in the description.